Hello user. Today we will discuss the vernier calipers. A vernier caliper is a precision measurement that measures the internal dimension, outer dimension and depth. It can measure to an accuracy of an 1,000th of an inch and 1/100th of a millimeter. These are the outline of my talk. First, what is the least count of the vernier calipers? The least count of any instrument is the smallest measurement that can be taken accurately with it. Second one, reading. How you will read the reading through the vernier calipers. And last one is the zero error. There are two types of the error. One is the negative zero error and other one is the positive zero error. I will discuss in details. Here I am showing a vernier calipers having a main scale and vernier scale. There are two types of scale. One is the main scale, other one is the vernier scale. And upper one is measured in an inch and lower one is measured is a millimeter. Now these are zoom part of vernier calipers. You can see that this is a vernier scale, other one is the main scale. Here I have selected the two values as 0 and 10th of the main scale, and number of division between the two selected values is a 10. Now the least count of main scale is 10 by 10 is a 1 mm is the least count of the main scale. Now you can calculate the least count of vernier calipers by two methods. Method number 1. In a method number 1, the least count of the vernier calipers is least count of the main scale divided by the total number of division on the vernier scale. Here you can see that the total number of division on the vernier scale is a 50. Now the least count of the vernier calipers is 1 mm divided by 50 is 0.02 mm is the least count of the vernier calipers. Other method, second method is the least count of the vernier calipers is least count of the main scale minus the least count of the vernier scale. Here again I am showing the zoom part of this vernier calipers. You can see that the 15th division of the vernier scale multiplied by least count of the vernier scale is equal to the 14th division of main scale multiplied by least count of the main scale. Now you can calculate the least count of vernier scale is 49 divided by 50 is 0.98 mm is the least count of the vernier scale. Now this is a zoom part of, again I am showing. You can see that the 1 mm the least count of the main scale is 0.98 mm is the least count of the vernier scale. Now the difference between the two least count is known as the least count of the vernier scale. Here I am showing again another type of the vernier scale which is measured in a centimeter. Now here you can see that the 10th division of the vernier scale multiplied by least count of vernier scale is equal to the 9th division of main scale multiplied by the least count of the main scale. Now you can calculate the least count of vernier scale is 0.09 centimeter and the least count of the vernier calipers is 0.1 centimeter minus 0.09 centimeter is 0.01 centimeter is the least count of the vernier calipers. Now here I measured the length of wood stick. You can see here that you will count the values plus number of the division on main scale up to the 0 values of the vernier scale and multiply by the least count of the vernier scale. Here is the 0 of the vernier calipers, and now count the division up to number of division up to the 0 of the vernier scale and multiply by this count of main scale. You will see here value is 0 and number of division 8 and multiply by least count of the main scale is 0.1 centimeter is 0.8 centimeter is the reading of the main scale. Now you will see that here the 4 of the vernier division is coincide with this main scale. It means that the coincide division of the vernier scale with main scale multiplied by the least count of the vernier calipers. You can see here 4 division is coincided. 4 into 0.01 is the least count of the vernier calipers is a 0.04 centimeter, and the total reading is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading is 0.84 centimeter. This is a total reading. This is not a final reading. Now what is the final reading? Here you can see that when the zero value of vernier calipers coincided with zero value of the main scale, this type of error is known as no zero error. This is a zero error is 0.0 centimeter and the final reading is total reading plus minus 0.00 centimeter. When the vernier calipers zero values is left side of the zero of the main scale, this type of error is known as a negative zero error. And how you will find the value of the negative zero error? When you see that these values coincided with the vernier calipers, and you will count the number of division is 7th of the vernier calipers and minus of the total division. You can see here this value is 0.03 centimeter in negative because it is a negative zero error, and the final rating is total rating minus of the negative of 0.03 is the final rating of the vernier capacity. Similar for that, here when the zero is of the vernier calipers is the right side of the main zero of the main scale. This type of error is known as a positive zero error, and you will find these two values of the division of the two division of coincide with the main scale. This is the value of plus 0.02 and the final reading is total reading minus 0.02 centimeter. Thank you.